fog, you know, the fog was big YG, the biggest in the building. I told you I was dropping a video today, and guess what I'm doing? I'm dropping a video, bro. Don't play with me, bro. On our way to 100, like and subscribe, bro. If you're not subscribing, what you doing? Just watching? It's mad disrespectful, but we on our way to 100, like and subscribe, bro. Like I said, bro, this is gonna be more or less like this, the time I went home to the time I was there the second night. This is like the second night in myself, but part two, feel me? So, bruh, it's gonna be short as, I don't know, shorter than some people take a shit, so it's gonna be short. Gangster. So, this is what I did, bro. When I was there, bro, niggas got mashed up, bro. I won't lie, some niggas had lumps on their faces and it looked like a cartoon. You feel me? Effect. It was crazy. Some people even tried to sneak phones to me, people that is going to jail. They even started to sneak in phones, bro. They tried to blame it on the next man, bro. That was crazy. Bro, and the saddest part, that bro was so innocent, bro. He was crying for his innocence, bro. And it wasn't sad, but it was funny in a way. Because in a way, why would you cry if you know you didn't do it, bro? And they're blaming this one and they tell him, bro. And guess, as they're telling him, bro, if you don't take the blame and this man closes gates, I'm gonna kill you. Bro, that's what I tell you there, bro. It's sad, bro. But in GTA, not in real life, in GTA. But yeah, bro, like I said, bro, short video. It's not gonna be long, it's not gonna be short, it's gonna be short. As I was sitting there, these niggas were smoking the, I don't know how to say it, but they were smoking. It wasn't weed, it wasn't cigarettes, it was hard drugs. You feel me? You niggas were smoking hard drugs. But these niggas were, I won't lie, these niggas were, when I say these niggas were being dripped, they were dripping out, bro. Retro ones, Gucci on the foot, but they're smoking mad drugs. But life is life, bro. You do what you do. But yeah, as I was chilling there, doing what they were doing, I left. As I'm leaving, bro, I won't lie. Bro, like, we getting our fingerprints ready so we can fly. Bruh, this dumb nigga can't even put his fingerprints right, bruh. They tell him left hand, that nigga go put the right hand. They smack that nigga so hard, bro. I never saw some grown ass man get smacked so hard, bro. They tell him, oh, you stupid. Don't you know left and right? You're so big, but you don't know your left and right, bro. When I heard that, bro, I took that serious, bro. I didn't want to get smacked, but you feel me? The long story short, I got out. As I'm leaving, I'm running, bro. I'm running with a smile on my face, bro. The saddest thing after all of that, bro, my father asked me, oh, why are you smiling? This, I was, bro, one thing I never want to do is go back there. That place is not for humans. Feel me? It's not for the human race. I won't lie. Jail is not for humans, bro. I won't lie. If you are actually a human with the understanding of what is right and what is wrong, don't go to jail, bro. I won't lie. It's not for humans, bro. If you're an animal, and you believe you belong behind a cage, the jail is there for you, bro. Wallahi, bro. And Flicky, you know me, bro. Always have to sit up for a flick. Like and subscribe, bro. We're on our way to 100. It's scary. Short video as hell, like I told you.